Hello, good afternoon, my dear children.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
How are you all?
I'm fine.
Some more participants are waiting. Only few of you have joined yet, so I think many are coming. Hi. Hello, Ashwadi, Bhumi, Deva. Parents, please rename your device. Here we are taking the attendance. If your kid's name is not there, it's very difficult to put the attendance, to mark the attendance. Please rename. Some children have joined like that. Okay, I can see Pious. Where is Pious? Pious mummy. I can see Pious mother only. Ours Pious, yes, he is present. Okay. Then everyone join. Hi. Hello, everyone.
Hi, ma'am.
Hello. Good afternoon, all. Once again, good afternoon to all.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Come on, who can tell me Faiza ma'am is taking which subject for you?
Yes.
Which subject for you? EVS 1 or 2? EVS
One.
1. Who said EVS 2?
Not me.
I'm not taking EVS 2. I'm taking only EVS 1. Okay. I think this is the time. I just want to ask whether you have done the homework.
I finished.
In our previous class, I've told you to study, write and study the 5 sense organs, and I told you the next class I'll check the rough book. Come on, all of you take out your rough book and show me. I want to see whether you write or not. Come on, Akshaj, Irene Abby, join with audio. I cannot see your face. Devananda, Agnel, come on, join with audio, video,
Ma'am.
and mute your audio. Agnel, Sunil. I want to see your rough book, everyone. Bhumi, show me your rough book, Bhumi. Deva Krishna. Okay. Irene, Abby, you are not in this class, right? Irene Abby in 3F, no? Children, those are not belonging to 3D. Please leave the meeting. Please exit. Please leave the meeting. This is a class 4, class 3D. Okay, I'm so happy to see you all have written so neatly and correctly. I'm very happy, my dear children. Oh, I like you all. Be smart. All stand up. Oh, children, you are sitting. I just want to see everyone's face so clearly. Stand up, everybody. Stand up. Come on, stand up. Hands up. Some are in sleepy mode. Hands down. Hands up. Clap your hands. Hey, everybody clap your hands. Some children are in sleepy mood. Come on, everybody, clap for yourself. Okay, now let us continue our lesson. As we have discussed in our last class about our sense organs, the sense organs help us to, who can tell me how the sense organs help us? To know. Come on, tell me. Anyway, I'll repeat one more time. I think some of the children were absent the last class. I just revised the lesson once again for that. Our sense organs, repeat everyone, sense organs
Sense organs.
help us to
Help us to
know the world
around
around us. Help us to know the world around us. Not only the sense organs, we have many other parts also outside our body. And come on, speak, children. We have only the parts outside. Don't we have any parts inside our body?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, we have many parts inside our body too. Okay, in this lesson, we are going to learn more about in this class. We are going to learn more about the organs inside our body. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
You know
Yes,
one thing,
ma'am.
these organs, they form like a team inside our body and they work together. They work together. There are some particular groups in our body. Some organs form particular groups. Anyway, all that points we will come to the coming classes. Now, let us speak. Come on, children. Oh, I just want to ask, in our house, there are many machines in our house. Am I right, children? Any electronic machines in our house?
Yes.
My house, I have many. What about you?
Yes, ma'am.
Your house also. But my children, this time you have to help me to get the name of some machines in your house. I'll call upon one by one. You have to speak. Okay, unmute your audio and speak. Amit Narayan, stand up. Amit. Unmute your audio and tell me the answer. Can you name any one machine in your home? Any one machine helps your work? Rupika, can you tell me any one machine in your home? Example. Television. Washing machine. Who can tell me? Who can? Ashwini, can you stand up and say? Say.
Washing machine.
A washing machine. Then who can say Rajan Krishna? Who is that? So smiling. Rajan Krishna, stand up and say, you look so cute, baby. Come on. Unmute your audio. I can't hear you. Unmute your audio. And tell me. Computer. Wow. Very good. Pius, my dear. Tell me, Pius, the name of one machine in your home. Stand up and say the answer, Pius. Unmute it. It's not audible, baby. Unmute your audio and say the answer. Okay, come on. Come on, Pius. Pius, mom, is there Pius? Come on, tell me, baby. The name of one machine in your home.
Muted.
Who is ready to say the answer? Who is ready? Who is joined with iPhone? Jayesh. Parents, please rename with your kid's name. It's very difficult for me.
Mixie.
Mixer grinder. Mixer grinder is another machine in our home. Then Sachin, stand up, Sachin. Sachin, stand up. Stand up, baby. Then come on, tell me, Sachin, the name of one machine in your home.
Ma'am.
Who can say the answer? Who is ready?
Ma'am.
Who's calling me? Ashwini.
Ma'am.
Bhumi, tell me the answer, Bhumi.
Fridge.
Fridge, refrigerator. Everybody give a good clap to Bhumi. Everybody clap
Thank
for
you.
Bhumi.
Thank you.
Then, you're welcome, baby. Then come on, who can say the next? Another machine. Television. Then, Preet Ramesh, can you tell me?
Mobile phone.
Mobile phone. Oh, okay. Then Ananda, Molu, don't join with the video. I cannot see your face. Bhumi again. Let me ask the another one. Savio. Savio, stand up. Savio, stand up. Yes, dears. Okay. I got it. Savio, Monu, stand up. Stand up, baby. And give me the answer. Children, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Am I audible to you?
Yes.
Yes. Can you see my face?
Yes.
It's a bit dark here, right?
Yes.
Okay, it will be okay within few minutes. Okay. Now it's clear, I think, right?
Yes.
Now you can see my face clearly?
Yes.
All of you give me a cute smile. Everybody, I would like my children always should smile. Come on, give me a cute smile. I like you all.
Thank you, ma'am.
I like you, everybody. I like you, my dear children.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you,
Okay, we will be back to our lesson. Okay, we'll be back to the lesson. So here, today ma'am is going to tell more detail. I can hear some disturbance. Children, mute your audio. Mute your audio.
Yes.
Okay, otherwise, no, it's too much disturbance. Ma'am cannot take the class. I cannot continue the class. Okay, da? Okay. So let us move back to our lesson. So, all these machines help. There are many machines in our house. Refrigerator, television, mixer grinder, then come on, tell me. Washing machine, air conditioner. There are many machines in our house to help us our work so easily. Okay, got it?
Yes.
If any complaint happens to the mixer grinder and mummy in the kitchen, oh, she may be angry, right? Oh,
Yes.
God, what is this? So that mixer grinder actually help your mummy to finish her work in the kitchen. Okay?
Yes.
Got it? All these machines help us in our everyday life. Okay, children? Got it, everybody? Now come to the point. Let me tell you. Now ma'am is telling our body is also a living machine. Body also a living machine.
Yes.
Do you agree with me?
Yes.
Yes, our body is also a living machine. It can see, it can hear, it can smell, it can taste, it can feel, it can move, it can grow, it can produce babies. It can produce babies too. Got it, children?
Yes.
Our body is also like a living machine. It can see, hear, smell, taste, feel, grow, can give birth to the babies. Can you think, children, a refrigerator can give birth to refrigerator baby? No.
No.
A washing machine can give birth to the baby?
No.
No, never, never, never. But who gave birth to you?
Mother.
Mother. Okay. Our body is a living machine. It can move. It can give birth to the babies. It is just like a living machine. There are many parts inside our body working as a machine. Okay, children? Got
Yes.
it? Got it, everybody?
Yes.
Okay. So there are many parts outside our body, and at the same time, there are many parts inside our body too.
Yes.
Got it? Now we come to the point. What are the organs? What are organs? Organs. Come on, spell it, everybody. Organ.
Organ.
N-S.
N-S.
Okay. Now, listen. The parts of the body. Everybody repeat with ma'am. Repeat after me.
The parts of the
Parts of the body
The parts of the body
that help us to do
help us
special and
and
important work are called organs. Then repeat after me. One more time I'll explain for you, my dear children. Listen. The parts of the body. Everybody together. Everybody. The parts of the body that help. That help us special and important work are called organs. Organs. Come on, say loudly. I think we can write one time in our rough book. Are you ready, my dear ones?
Yes.
Yes. Come on, I'll show you. I can hear some children are talking in Malayalam. Children are talking in Malayalam there. Don't talk in Malayalam. Okay. I can hear you very well. Don't think that ma'am is not hearing. We are going to write what are organs. What are organs? Right, everyone? Wait. I hope everybody can see the whiteboard here. Can you see the whiteboard, children? Okay, can you see the whiteboard here? Okay, now write, everybody. Organs. O R G A N S. Organs. Underline. What are called organs? What are organs? Come on. Repeat after me, everybody. Organs. 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 Come on, write the sentence. T. T should keep it as capital letter T. H, E. The beginning of the sentence, beginning of the every sentence, we have to keep the first letter as capital. You know that, children? So we are writing the beginning of the sentence. The first letter always be capital. Make sure that the first letter always should be capital letter. The parts. P, A, R, T, S. The parts of the T, H, E. The parts of the body. B, O, D. Parts of the body. The parts of the body that T, H, E, T, A, T. Parts of the body that help us to help. H, E, L, P. Help us. Help us. U, S. The parts of the body that help us. To do. To do. Special. Yes. P, E, T, I, A, L. Special. S, P, E, C, I, A, L. The parts of the body that help us to do special and important. I am P, O, R, T, A, N, T. Important. Help us to do special and important. Come on, tell me what's next. Important. Work. W. R, K. W-O-R-K. W-O-R-K. Important work.
That's all.
Are called C-A-L-L-E-D. Are called organs. O-R-G-A-N-S. Put a full stop. Then underline the word organs. Underline the word organs. Finish everybody? How many of you finished? Raise your hands. Okay. So come on, tell me children, what are organs? Who can say the answer? The parts of the body. Say the answer, everyone.
The parts of the body that
Help us to do special important work are called organs. Shall I rub the board, children?
Yes.
Shall I rub the board?
Yes.
Okay. let me repeat once again. The parts of the body
The parts of the body
help us to
help us to
do special and important work are called organs. Okay, now ma'am is going to rub the bot. Okay, I hope all my children. Then keep your pencils down, keep it there. Stand up, everybody. Stand up. Stand up. Hands up. Clap your hands. Hey, clap, everybody. Clap, clap. Okay. Smile. Give me a cute smile. Okay. Now listen. Once again, we are going to learn what are organs. Are you be with me? Ready?
Yes.
Ready, my dear ones?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, come on. Show me. I'll show you that action. Then you have to just copy what ma'am is showing. Do it with ma'am. Ready? The parts of the body
The parts of the body
help us to
help us to
do
do
special and
important
work are called organs. Got it, children? Who can say what are organs? Who is ready to say? Ashwati, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, good girl, my excellent. Okay, come on, Ashwati, mute your audio. Unmute your audio and say the answer.
Parts of the body.
Show me the action also. Show me the action. The parts of the body
Parts of the body
help us to do special and important work are called organs. One more time. Who can tell me the answer? Bhumi, Dara. Who will say the answer? Dara or Bhumi? Vaiga, are you ready?
I will say, ma'am.
Say. Amit. Amit, ready? Stand up, Amit.
I will say, ma'am.
Okay, I'll call you. Okay, next time you say the answer. Okay, Bhumi? I'll call you.
Ma'am, I say, ma'am.
Amit, look here. Look. Unmute your audio, Amit. Unmute your audio. And say. The parts of the body. Amit. Show me the action also. I want to see your hand movements and all. Parts of the body.
The parts of the body.
Everybody do with me. Everybody. Try. Akshans, Payas, Devananda, Aishwarya, Ivana. Everybody try. Dara. The parts of the body.
The parts of the body
Help us to do special are called organs. Then who can say? Bhumi, can you stand up and say? Stand up. Parts of the body. Don't look at the book.
The parts of the body
Help us to
that help us to do special work,
and important work are called organs.
organs.
Very good. Everybody give a good clap to Bhumi. Come on, everyone. Excellent, Bolu. Excellent.
Thank you.
Love you. Then who can say, Hari? Hari, stand up and say, what are organs? Come on, Hari. With action, okay? With action. The parts of the body
Parts of the body
help us to do
special and
important work are called organs. Who can say? Then who can say?
Special important. Can I have another turn?
Oh, Rajan Krishna, stand up and say. What are organs?
Parts of the body that help us to do special
Say the answer.
and work. The parts
of the body
help
help us to do special and important work are called organs. Stand up and clap, everyone. Now we are going to repeat the same sentence together. Are you ready?
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Be smart, my little ones. Come on. Say loudly. Are you ready? Yes. Come. I'll just start. You have to repeat after me. Ready? The parts of the body help us to do Have you got it? Anything you feel difficulty, children?
No.
Do you feel any difficulty? No. So, after the class, you have to study. You have to write and study the sentence 5 times. Okay, got it?
Spelling? Okay, ma'am.
The full sentence you have to write and study. Then, there are many parts inside our body too. Got it, children?
Yes.
What will happen when we eat food? Where does it go?
To the stomach.
Oh, to the stomach. Oh, stomach. All of you touch your stomach. Touch your stomach. Show me stomach, everyone.
Touch your stomach.
Have you? Aishwarya? Ivana, simply sitting, Ivana. I can see you very well. Ivana, hello. Adit, touch your stomach. Adit. Okay, when we eat food, our food goes through, there is a organ inside our neck. No, inside. Inside. Food pipe. Food pipe. What is your? Food pipe.
Food pipe.
Repeat after me, everybody. Food pipe.
Food pipe.
Pipe.
Food pipe.
Pipe.
Food pipe. The food will go inside of the pipe.
Now, ma'am is going to draw. Okay. Everybody listen to the board. Okay, children?
Yes, ma'am. My eyes are open.
I love you, baby. Mwah. Everybody, I like you. So smart, kids.
I love you, ma'am.
I love you too, baby.
I love you too, Teresa.
Here, Can you see the whiteboard, children?
No. No.
Okay, I'll share to you. Don't worry. Now, can you see the whiteboard here?
Yes.
Yay! Here, ma'am is going to draw the food pipe. Ma'am is going to draw the food pipe. Ready, everyone?
Yes.
Yes.
Ma'am.
Oh, come on. Wait. Let me draw.
Okay, let me see. Now?
Later.
I can't understand.
Okay. Can you see the board clearly, children?
Yes.
Oh, now
This
what
is
I
our
have
mouth.
drawn,
This is
children,
our food pipe.
this is
That's
the
our
food
hand.
pipe. This is the
Food
pipe.
pipe.
F-O-O-D-P-I-P-E. Food pipe. And here is the stomach. Yes.
That looks like a heart.
O-M-A-C-H. Stomach.
Stomach.
Can you see the whiteboard clearly, children?
Yes.
Oh, you can also just try to draw this. Okay. This is the organ. It is a tube which leads from the mouth. It is a tube leads from the mouth through the throat to the stomach. Food pipe is the tube leads from the mouth. Here is our food pipe. All of you touch. Here. When we eat food, when we chew our food, the food goes through the food pipe and it reaches the stomach. Have you got it?
Yes.
Got it, children?
Yes.
And you know what is a stomach? It is a sac-like organ. It is a...
Excuse me, ma'am.
Come on, tell me. What's it out?
Ma'am, when do we have to submit our homework?
Who is this?
Sachin.
Sachin. I just asked. Come on now. Come to the topic. Here is the food pipe. And the next inside, the organ inside our body, stomach. Stomach is a sac-like organ. It's a sac-like organ. When we eat food, it goes into the stomach through the food pipe. When we eat food, it goes to the stomach through the food pipe. Have you got it, children?
Yes.
Got it? Stomach is a sac-like organ. Anyway, we can learn more about the food pipe and the stomach in our next class. Okay. Today, everybody write and study. Should I rub the board, children?
Yes.
Okay.
Done. All done.
Okay. So today, everybody, our time is almost come to an end. So today you have to write and study what are organs. Okay.
Yes,
The parts
ma'am.
of the body. Come on, everybody, repeat with ma'am. Repeat after me. Repeat after me. Come on.
The parts of the body
What help us to do?
that help us to
Special and important organs. Okay. What are the organs inside our body? Today we discussed about only 2 organs. The first one is food pipe and the second one is stomach. Anyway, we can continue the lesson in our next class. Okay, time is over. This, what are organs? You have to write and study 5 times. Okay? 5 times. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Love you.
I like you all.
Thank you, ma'am.
Give me notes, ma'am. Please.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. See you on Tuesday.
Bye bye. See you.
I like you. Bye bye.
Bye.